Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loop. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for getting updates of new videos. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful fabric earrings. Okay, so for that we will require two pieces of circles that I had cut from the cardboard. One will be a smaller circle than the other. Then we are going to stick the fabric in the circle in the manner I have shown. We will cut along the border of the fabric till the edge of the circle, and we will stick the cut portion to the cardboard in the way I have shown. In the same way, we will stick the black fabric to the cardboard. We will prefer the border to be smaller, okay, so that it will be easier for you to stick it. Then, as earlier, we will cut along the edges and stick the cut portion of the fabric to the cardboard by folding it. So our black circle is also ready. It's up to you how you want to decorate it. Either you can add oxidized piece of materials to it, or you can add other appliques to it, or you can add do different type of stitches on it. I have done katha stitch. Completing the stitch, we will secure the thread with a knot. Now, so our top portion is ready. Now we are going to stick the black colored circle to the yellow colored circle in the way I have shown with the fabric glue. I have used Fevicryl fabric glue as earlier. Okay. So now we will find the middle portion and make a hole at the yellow colored fabric using a needle. Okay. And then inside the hole we will attach a jump ring, and through the jump ring we will pass a loop bead as I have shown. So we will use pliers to close the jump ring space. Then we will insert earring hook to the black colored fabric. Okay. Finally, we will add the other beads one by one. So our beautiful fabric earrings are ready with a completely new design. I hope you liked this video and the tutorial was quite easy. If you liked my video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.